My first job was in a petrol pump. I used to make bills. 300 rupees was my salary. When I was growing up, my father used to give a lot of jobs to a lot of people. So मुझे भी लगता था कि मेरे पापा मुझे भी जॉब दे देंगे. So I graduated very early because school में पहले डाल दिया था. So, but मेरे पापा ने, when I went and asked him saying that I also want to do a job, write me a letter, पापा ने मना कर दिया. He said, he put a paper on the newspaper on the table and said, I'm buying a 2 rupee newspaper, fend for yourself. I paid for your education, I've done your job, fend for yourself. So I went to my mother. The moment I just said mom, she said, don't bring the mother between the father and the daughter. So my doors closed. And that was the day when I was the most broken. I cried 8-9 hours. But that day I decided at the end of the day, after 9 hours of crying, from today I will never ask anyone anything. And my first job was in a petrol pump. I used to make bills. 300 rupees was my salary. So what used to happen is, because my father and mother said no, all your life they are your lifeline. And suddenly your lifeline is closed and you wonder saying that why. And I started not eating at home, nothing. Shubhe jati thi, raat ko aati thi. I used to go to computer classes, college, then I used to work and come back. So 300 rupees was my salary. So a lot of days I have gone hungry. Tab samajh aa gayi thi saying that after oxygen, the next thing people need is hunger. And for hunger, you need money. And that hunger drives people to do insane things. So it was something which I got it very young. And for me, that money became a very critical aspect of my life. Then I started observing people, which is my uncles, my aunts, my friends, parents and all, saying that how money, with less money, how people used to live, and with more money, how people used to live. Their thinking process, their thought process on going on a holiday, to buy something, to even eat out. I was observing that. But I didn't know how to earn, how to do anything. But it remained in my mind. But I always also remained in the mind saying that somewhere I should do good for myself and I should also do good for some people around me. But मुझे कोई समझ नहीं थी कि मुझे कैसे करना है. So this, when I went to in 1990, late 90s, 91, when I joined Times Guarantee Financials, बातें हो रही थी, सीख रहे थे. Then Times Guarantee came with a PMS in 1992-93. We collected large amount of money. So तब समझ आई saying that कि बॉस पैसे मैनेज कैसे कर सकते हैं, कि लोगों के पैसे कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं. And I was still learning. So it took me, I was there for around 10.5 years in that company. Hire purchasing, leasing, OTC exchange and all experience. Then came a moment in 1998. We had a gentleman who was actually in the treasury department and he was a very senior. He taught us saying that as interest rates are expected to come down in 1998-99, that gilt funds are very good. And Kotak Gilt Fund launched in 1998. And I remember I and one of my colleagues were sent to the Kotak office to learn about what is that gilt fund, what is that fund and everything. Bhaktawar mein building thi, hum gaye. We spent around 1.5 hours. That was my calling. Saying this is an instrument where even with small amounts people can save. And this is an instrument which is a managed portfolio that can be done. I don't know if I was able to articulate so well, but samajh aa gayi thi कि this is an instrument which is very good for people and people can invest in.